Hello, my name is Raphael. I will be your instructor today on the use of Microsoft Excel to calculate, to do some arithmetics, statistics, to calculate students' result. Here, as you can see, we have data of students, their scores. We have 3 students here, IK, Paul, and Ada. And then we have 3 subjects: English, mathematics, and Igbo, and the various scores they've gotten in the various subjects. This is for IK in English, maths, Igbo. Then this is for Paul, and this is for Ada. The various scores in the English, various scores in math, and various scores in Igbo. So we are going to calculate the total score, see how we can get the total score, and then see how we can get the average, and then see how we calculate the grade and then position. So in Microsoft Excel, before you start to calculate anything, you will have to activate the formula bar by putting in the equality sign, equal sign. As you can see, without putting equal sign, the result will not arrive. So here I've put the equal sign. So here what we want to achieve is to add up these 3 figures for IK, the scores in maths, English, and the Igbo. These are the scores we want to add up. So I'll just put equal sign. Then we're going to use a function called summation, to sum the 3 figures. So equal sign sum, open bracket, because we have to include the beginning of the sum and the end of the sum. So open bracket. Then English. Now we have to look at the column title and the row title, the row number. Here English is on the column B, and then IK is on row 3. So we're going to call this 60 B3. So sum B3. We should start from B3 and end at where at D3. So colon stands for 2. It stands for 2. So B3 2, D3. Then you close the bracket. Then you hit the enter key, the return key on your keyboard. So quickly, you have seen the answer. If we highlight, click on the answer, and then we look at the formula bar, you can see it. You see the formula. Then since we've gotten this, so we can now quickly go on to get the rest of the totals for Paul and Ada. So here now we're going to click on the answer for IK, and then we'll now drag this down. You see, it will share the answer with the various formula. You see, this one is B4 to D4. This one is B5 to D5, because Ada is in row 5, as you can see, row 5. So then Paul is in row 4. That is why for Paul you can see B4 to D4. So this is how to calculate those score using the function sum. You can as well use the operator plus addition to add up values and get the total score. So that is it. So I thank you once again for joining us in this class. I believe it is very interesting, and you can see how easy we have made this for your own understanding. So try and learn this at your own pace. Visit us every day. Check and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. By the next video, we're going to see how we're going to calculate the average, the grade, and the position. Thank you so much. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get loads and loads of more videos that are very, very exciting and interesting for your business growth and personal development. Thank you.